Hello friends, welcome to Sciphilic Academy, and today in this fun math session we will see two crazy squares. First we will see square of 11. Friends, all of you know 11 square is 121. Now we will see square of 111. Square of 11 is 12321. Square of 1111 is 1234321. So friends, if you observe the pattern in these squares, you just look at the square of 11. In the square of 11 you are multiplying two 11s. How many ones are there in 11? In 11 number of ones. In 11 number of ones are 2. So 11's square will be 1, 2, 1. And in 111 how many ones are there? 3. So triple one square is 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. So we have to go in the ascending order of numbers from starting from 1 till the number of ones. We have 3 number of ones, so we will go up to 3 in ascending order. Then we will go back up to 1 in descending order. Now if we observe in the square of 1111 there are 4 ones, and the square is go in ascending order up to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then go in the descending order up to 1, 3, 2, 1. This is the square of 11. So you can count square of any digit which are having only ones. This is 11,11,111. So in this how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones are there. So answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You can check this on calculator or you can calculate it manually also. The answer will be this only. Now friends, one more crazy square we will find. All of we know square of 15 is 225. Square of 25 is 625. Here also if you observe the pattern in 15 square, the square is ending with 25. In 25 square again square is ending with 25, and the if you observe the remaining digits, the third digit is 2 into 1, that is equal to 2, 2, 5. Here the third digit is 2 into 3, the answer is 6, 2, 5. Analogous to this, we can calculate square of 35, that will end with 25. Square of a number which is having 5 at its unit place will always end with 25, and the remaining digits will be calculated by multiplying the remaining digits in the number with next number. Multiply the remaining number with next number. So 35 square will be 1225. What will be 45 square? It will end with 25, and the next number to 4 is 5, that is 25. 25. Answer will be 20, 25. What will be 65 square? It will be 25 and 42. So friends, this is how you can calculate squares of 11, 111, 1111 and the numbers which are ending with 5. Friends, one more crazy square we will see now. It's square of numbers which are close to 100. Friends, 101 square. This is higher than 100 by 1, that is plus 1. So you just need to add that surplus in the number itself and take the square of the number which you have added. That is what you are doing. Add the surplus from 100 to the number, that will be your left part of square, and take square of the added number, that will be the right part. It will be more clear with this example. Here answer will be, we have added the surplus 1 into 101, so left part will be 102 and right part we have to take square of 1, it will be 1. But here one thing we need to keep in our mind, that on the right hand side we must get 2 digits. If we get less than 2 digits, put 1 0 behind it. If we get more than 2 digits, take the third digit as remainder to the left hand side. We will see one more example in which we may have more than 2 digits. We know by our previous trick the square of 111 is 1 2 3 2 1. Now we will calculate square of 111 by this method. It is more than 100 by 11, so we will add 11 into 111, and on the right hand side we will take square of 11. So it is 122 and square of 11 is 121, and what our rule says, we must get only 2 digits on the right hand side, but here we are getting 3 digits. So this third digit will be the remainder which we will add to the left hand side. So our answer will be 1 2 3 2 1. Now we will see one example which is close to 100 but less than 100. The examples which we have seen as of now all are more than 100. We will take example of 95. The number which is ending with 5 will have 25 as last 2 digits in its square, and the remaining part will be 9 into 10 number multiplied by next number. So here answer will be 90 25. Now we will check with the method which we have seen now. This is less by 100 than 5. In the previous case where we are getting a number which was higher than 100, we were adding the difference. Here 95 is less than 100 by 5, so we will subtract it, and that will be the left hand side part of your square, and right hand side will be the square of the difference. We will get 90, and on the right hand side it is 25. Anyhow we are getting 2 digits, so we are here with the answer 9025, and both the answers are tallying with each other. So we can calculate square of 98 in the same way. 98 minus 2 square of 2, that will be 964. Here we are getting only one digit after getting the square of difference, so we will put 1 0 behind it. Answer will be 9604. Why this is happening in this way? It's like that only. These are Vedic math techniques. One last example we will see. 96 square, it is less by 4. 96 minus 4, we will take square of 4 on the right hand side, so answer will be 9216. Okay friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope these concepts are clear, and these concepts will definitely help you in your curriculum also. And above all, this is fun math. I hope all you guys have enjoyed this fun math session, and I request all of you to subscribe my channel and share with your friends for watching such interesting videos. Thank you friends.